Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer credentials securely in no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to transfer credentials securely in no-code apps. First, identify the credentials that need to be transferred. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of the data's sensitivity. Next, choose a secure method for transferring the credentials. Consider using encryption to protect the data during transfer. Select a no-code app that supports secure data handling. Check if the app offers built-in encryption features. If not, look for third-party tools that facilitate secure transmission. Store the credentials in a secure vault during the transfer process. Implement access controls to limit who can view or edit the credentials. Test the transfer process with a small set of non-sensitive data first. Monitor the transfer for any unexpected behavior. Once the test is successful, proceed with the actual transfer. After transferring, verify the integrity of the credentials at the destination. Ensure that the original credentials are deleted securely after the transfer. Finally, document the process for future reference. By following these steps, you can ensure a secure transfer of credentials in your no-code apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.